Understanding the word book for IELTS success. Books are everywhere in our lives. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys a good story, you've probably interacted with books in some way. Today, we're going to explore the word book and how to use it effectively in your IELTS exam. Word type. Book can be used as both a noun and a verb in English. Meaning, as a noun, a book is a written work published in printed or electronic form. It can be a novel, a textbook, or any collection of pages containing information. As a verb, to book means to arrange or reserve something in advance, like a hotel room or a ticket. Word history. The word book comes from Old English bok, which originally referred to a written document or charter. Over time, its meaning expanded to include longer written works. Antonyms. Some opposites of book as a noun might include unwritten information or oral traditions. For the verb form, antonyms could be cancel or release. Synonyms. For the noun form, some synonyms are volume, publication, or text. As a verb, you could use reserve, schedule, or arrange. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples. As a noun, I borrowed a book from the library about ancient civilizations. As a verb, we need to book our flights for the summer vacation soon. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing book with novel. Remember, all novels are books, but not all books are novels. Another error is using book incorrectly in phrases. For example, we say book a hotel room, not book a hotel. Books are an essential part of our lives and language. Whether you're reading a book or booking a trip, understanding this versatile word will help you in your IELTS exam and beyond. Practice using book in different contexts to become more comfortable with its various meanings and uses.